Today I'm going to teach you how to rename a OneNote notebook in Windows. This is a quick and simple process that lets you update your notebook's name directly through the app settings without needing to locate the file on your computer. Let's get started. First, open your Microsoft OneNote app and load into your notebook. Make sure you give it a moment to fully load before proceeding to the next step. This ensures that all your notebook data is accessible and ready for any changes you want to make. Once your notebook has loaded, you'll be pleased to know that renaming your OneNote notebook in Windows is pretty straightforward. Rather than hunting down where your OneNote notebook file is saved on your computer, you can simply rename it directly through the notebook settings. This saves you time and makes the whole process much more convenient. To get started, navigate to the File menu at the top of your OneNote window. From there, click on Info. This section displays all your notebooks in one place, making it easy to manage them. You'll see a list of all the notebooks currently open or connected to your account. Next, select the notebook you wish to rename from the list. Once you've highlighted the correct notebook, look for the Notebook Settings drop-down button. Click on it to reveal additional options for managing your selected notebook. This is where you'll find various settings and configurations related to your notebook. From the drop-down menu, click on Properties. This will open a new window called Notebook Properties, which contains detailed information about your selected notebook, including its name, location, and other settings. Now, to rename your notebook, simply change the name in the Display Name field. Type in your new desired name, making sure it clearly reflects the content or purpose of your notebook. This helps you stay organized, especially if you're managing multiple notebooks. Once you've entered the new name, click on OK to save your changes. OneNote will immediately update the notebook name across your account, so you'll see the new name reflected in your notebook list and anywhere else the notebook appears. And there you have it. You've successfully renamed your OneNote notebook in Windows through the app settings. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.